an image with Midjourney. And first of all, we go, of course, to the website, Midjourney, click on this, and then make sure that you logged in with or your Discord or your Google account. And then after that, you will get to this page. You can also go to Discord and do it there, but right now we will do it on the page because this is the main place where people will create their images. From here, you can go to create and then write down here what you want to create. So let's see, I want to create a single tree in the forest with a dark environment. It's rainy. Then we do enter, remind me later. And right now he's creating the image where we ask for. And then right now when this percentage is on 100%, this picture is finished. So if you can see right now, these are the pictures that we created. And if you click now on this picture and we like this one, we click here on download. He got downloaded right here. And right now we can use this picture. So this is exactly the way how you can create images on Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.